Learn English with Kevin. Vocabulary. Stories. Conversation. Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. You can use this video to practice your English listening skills. And repeat after me to improve your speaking skills. So today, I'm going to talk about money. This is a really important topic, because money is a big part of our lives. So first, let's about currencies.
Currency is the type of money that a country uses. For example, the currency of the US is the dollar, and the currency of the Philippines is the peso. Every country uses a currency to buy and sell things. Some currencies are very valuable, and other currencies are not very valuable. For example, today, the US dollar is worth 57 Philippine pesos. The dollar is more valuable right now. So, what currency does your country use? Okay, now, let's talk about prices. In the US, most things are expensive. They cost a lot of money. In other countries, these are cheap. They don't cost a lot of money. For example, in the US, the average price of a house is about $250,000. But, in the Philippines, the average price of a house is probably around $40,000. That's a big difference. Prices are very different in different countries. Another major difference is with salaries. The salaries in some countries are high, and the salaries in other countries are low. In the US, salaries are pretty high. Americans need to make a lot of money because life is expensive in the US. In some countries, people don't need a lot of money to live. But everyone needs some money to survive. Okay, now, let's talk about spending and saving money. Some people really like spending money, and other people prefer saving more money. Different people have different habits. My family always liked saving money. My mom taught me to always save some of my money. So today, I try to save some of the money I earn. It's not always easy to save, though. You have to be careful with your money because it's easy to spend too much. I know many people that don't save money. They always spend their money on clothes, electronics, and vacations. And other things. I spend money on these things, but not all my money. But some people spend all their money because they want to enjoy the moment. I don't think I could do this. I think it's good to enjoy the moment, but it's also good to plan for the future. One other thing that people do with their money is invest. You can invest in many different things, like the stock market, real estate, currencies, or gold. Many Americans invest their money. They want to use this money to make more money in the future. In some countries, investing is not very popular. Sometimes, they don't have good investment options. You need to be careful when you invest your money because not all investment options are good. Some investments are bad, and you can lose money. Overall, people have many different ways to manage their money.
Okay, that's all for today. If you like this topic, please leave a comment and a like and subscribe to the channel. See you next video.